Not refreshed water.
I refreshed it once, yeah, in the middle of the process.
Coffee machine water. Can you boil an egg using coffee machine water? Here we go.
I'm going to go.
Oh, it's quite soft.
Come on, let's have a look.
Yeah, it's on the soft side.
What a waste of a perfectly good egg.
This has
Look.
to be a told you so much.
It is. Now we want to see you eat it.
But look, it's definitely half cooked. Look.
Conclusive proof that you can't boil an egg using a coffee machine, Phil.
It's a bit on the runny side, I'll grant you.
It's a bit on the runny side. That look, that's
Hang on.
disgusting. Look, oh, that's.
Yeah, it's quite runny. It's gone white. I'll tell you what, I'll eat the yolk. I'm not going to waste that.
Just imagine warm, runny. Ugh.
I don't think.
No, we don't need your commentary on this video.
Yeah, we do.
Disgusting. The waste of a good.
Phil, if you die, I don't think I'm liable. Linda, I'm not liable for this, am I?
I
in any
can't.
way?
No.
I can't get the yolk out in one bit.
We did advise him against.
Oh,
We advised him against it, didn't we? Len?
we did. Oh, don't do. Stop.
People do eat raw eggs, you know.
Yeah, and then they die.
Oh, has it got a salmonella in it?
I don't know. Is that a good egg?
Yeah, tastes alright. Yeah.
Okay.
Right, well I'll know from now that you can't do this with coffee machine water.
Cheers, Phil. That's been interesting.
Mm.
You're making me want to boff now.